The people are upset about Miss E.J. Johnson, Miss Alondria Janae Johnson, or Erica Jane Johnson. The thing is, she's the only one speaking about the Met Gala that was stamped and approved by the one and only Joan Rivers. So, regardless of what it looks like, and regardless of the company they keep, that's the only one that has the okay from the main one, the Empress, the fashion police lieutenant herself. And that's all that needs to be said. Everybody else got a platform, including me. Look at me talking to you about EJ and fashion police. And while you watching me watch the Met Gala with my opinions, I never been stamped by Joan. Everybody has an opportunity to say something. Why not get it from the credible source? People didn't like Joan Rivers either. So much so that they end up